All right, Jack. Thanks for doing the patient testimonial video. But I just wanted to ask you a few questions. You know, when you first came in and saw us, can you tell me about your condition? Tell me about how you were doing.
I was in extreme pain pretty much all the time, and I could barely walk, or walk with great difficulty, and that's where I was at. It was very painful, and all activity I've been doing, I was an avid cyclist. I had not been able to cycle in a while, and I didn't see any hope of getting better. So, as an active person, I was no longer active.
That's super frustrating.
Yes, it was very, very frustrating, very different for me, because I'm not that way normally.
Yeah. Well, did you try any other medical techniques, or did you go anywhere else before you came here?
Prior to coming here, I went to see a friend who was a therapist, but not a chiropractor. So he tried some manipulation and just trying to relax my muscles, and he actually was the one who identified that this was well beyond his type of care, and that I needed to quickly see a chiropractor. In fact, he was my referral to you guys.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, and what have we done for you here, Jack?
It's been about 2 years, and in that 2 years, over the time, between the manipulations and the therapy, my life's totally transformed. I am very active again. I'm back on my bike and have been for the last year, and I mean, it's like 100% turnaround compared to where I was at. And when I came, I didn't see much hope of really changing, and now I don't see myself ever going back to that. And I may be doing this for the remainder of my life, but that's okay, because it keeps me healthy, it keeps me active, and it keeps me vibrant. And I didn't have that previous to this. And again, I'm back to where I was, or even better than I was before. It's 100%.
Even better. You opened a business last year, and it's doing great. And you've been very physical in your business, and so
very
that's
much.
Awesome.
I'm doing things now that I never imagined I would ever do again physically, which has been great. So
that's so awesome, man. I love it. Well, what would you tell somebody else who was suffering with similar symptoms about chiropractic care or advanced chiropractic?
I would tell them to see a chiropractor. I would tell them to see advanced chiropractic. I have told, my wife has been greatly impacted and benefited, and 3 of our kids have. And so I have told, and I have tried to get others to come, because I know the benefit and what it could do. And the worst case is to be told that this is not the right care, but the best case, and usually it is that this is the way to fix the problem. And it's worth every bit of time it takes, because it's definitely less intrusive than most other means to solve these kind of problems that I was having and most other people have. Health is worth it, and it's nice to be healthy again and have that well-being all over again.
That's awesome. And we appreciate you referring in your wife and your kiddos, and I'm glad they've gotten great care as well.
Yeah, all very happy, all very pleased.
Well, Jack, I appreciate it. Hope you have a blessed weekend, and we'll see you in a couple weeks.
Thank you.